In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of any image in Canva. Whether you're looking to give your images a fresh look or make them fit your design aesthetic, Canva offers a simple and intuitive way to do this. So, let's dive right in and get started. To begin, start by loading up Canva and opening the project where your image is located. Once inside your project, click on the image you'd like to change the color of. This action ensures your image is selected, and you'll notice a toolbar appearing at the top of your screen. Once more, click on the image to make doubly sure it's selected, preparing you for the subsequent steps. In this toolbar, you'll see various options for editing your image. Focus on the Edit option. Click on it to access Canva's array of tools that allow for enhancing and manipulating images to match your creative vision. Now, from the list of available effects, locate and select Duotone. The Duotone tool is exceptionally versatile, granting you the ability to overlay different colors on your image, thus accessing a rich and dynamic color palette. Once you click on Duotone, a new sidebar makes an appearance, showcasing several preset color options. You'll find multiple Duotone effects at your disposal. Take some time to scroll through these choices and click on any preset that piques your interest. For instance, if you decide to go with the cherry effect, you'll notice that this particular choice applies a captivating red hue to your entire image, adding a striking visual flair. However, customization doesn't stop at preset selection. If you wish for your image to truly stand out, you can refine it further by adjusting the highlights. In that sidebar, there are sliders available, which you can use to modify the brightness of lighter areas within your image. This adjustment is crucial for achieving an ideal balance of contrast and color saturation. In the same manner, you're able to tweak the shadows. By moving the sliders, you can either intensify or soften the darker segments of your image. This particular adjustment is valuable for imparting depth and dimension to your image. Finally, you also have the control over the intensity of the effect. Altering this setting will influence how subtle or pronounced the duotone effect appears overall. Ensuring that the effect aligns with your overall design concept becomes an easier task with this feature. There you have it, an uncomplicated yet potent way to transform the color of any image in Canva. This tool indeed opens a world of creative possibilities, giving your designs a unique edge and increased engagement. So, dive in, experiment with an array of colors and effects, and witness how they can completely metamorphose your images. Thank you for tuning in today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative design tips and tutorials. Happy designing!